Hello friends, welcome back to Yuling's gardening channel. In this video, we are going to see the tomatoes fertilizing recommendations. Some growers prefer to use a high phosphorus fertilizer indicated by a large middle number. You can also keep things simple with a fertilizer, especially formulated for tomatoes, usually with a ratio like 3, 4, 6 or 4, 7, 10. Most importantly, don't over fertilize. Too little fertilizer is always better than too much. You can also use manure as a fertilizer. Manure is a good source of nitrogen and potassium, and blood and bone meal can be used to boost levels of nitrogen and phosphorus in soil. Ash, oyster shell flour, seaweed, phosphate rock and compost also can be used to provide added nutrients to promote healthy and fast-growing tomato plants. Tomato plants require enough phosphorus supply to ensure a healthy fruit set. It's usually present in water-soluble fertilizer formulas with NPK. Next, we'll see what nutrients do tomatoes need most. Tomato plants need three main nutrients from fertilizer: nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, as well as some other trace elements. Most fertilizers are a combination of those three components. The packaging will indicate the percentage of each. While nitrogen is an important part of fertilizing for plant growth, don't forget to make sure your tomatoes plants have enough phosphorus. Nitrogen helps plants to grow a lot of foliage, while phosphorus encourages root growth and flowers. Now we are moving when should fertilize tomato plants. Tomatoes only need to be fertilized at two stages of growth, soon after planting and just before fruiting. Some gardeners like to apply the first round of fertilizer while transplanting. They either mix with the soil or leave it at the bottom of the planting hole. We are moving how and when to grow tomatoes at home in pots. Tomatoes are summer season vegetables and are usually grown as summer annuals. Tomato seeds must be started indoors between March to June. Here is how to grow tomatoes in your pot garden. To start, plant the tomatoes seeds indoor in the small pots 3 to 4 inches deep or seed starting trays about 1 by 4 inches deep in moderately fertile soil. The soil pH ranging from 6.0 to 6.8 is best for tomatoes. Tomatoes will grow in almost any type of garden soil except for heavy clay soil. The ideal temperature required for germination of tomato seeds ranging between 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. For best germination results, keep the pots in a warm and dark place. The seedlings should appear in 10 to 14 days. Tomatoes take 60 days to more than 100 days to harvest, depending on the variety. Due to their relatively long growing season requirements, most gardeners plant small starter plants or transplants instead of seeds after the weather has warmed up in spring. Tomato plants perform best in soil that is loose, rich and drain well, which means they translate easy to container gardens, especially more compact determinate tomatoes or bush varieties. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.